Hello everyone, welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this really easy threshold noisy type poster in Affinity Photo, and it's really easy and really quick to do. So as always, let's just get right into it. So this is like the final image that we will be making. Don't forget to drink some coffee. So let's just start by opening a new file. It's my standard Instagram 4x5, and as always, let's just import the image right into Affinity. In this case, I'm gonna be using this really sick image. Shout out to Dealer's Grip. I will leave the link down in the descriptions. So let's just center the image, and we are going to be adding noise. So let's just go into here and let's add some noise, and let's put intensity at 100%. It's really good. So now let's just duplicate the image using Ctrl J, just like that. And let's go into here and let's select threshold, and here just select the threshold as high or as low as you need, and as you see that it looks really good. So in this case, I'll be using something around here, 65, because I want the details inside the cards that are right here, but I don't want to lose that much of the entire image. So that's really good. Now you are going to go here and rasterize the layer. So just click rasterize, and this is how our image looks right now. Now from here, select the top layer, going to select and going to select sample color. Click here and click in the black areas, just like this. You can slide the tolerance, make it lower, make it higher, but I'm gonna leave it in the standard 15% and just click apply, just like that. Now from here, just click here on mask layer, and we have our basic effect. Now from here, as you can see, it looks a little bit dull, a little bit dark. So go into effects and let's add some vibrance. Let's make it a bit higher, and let's make the saturation also higher, just like that. And let's add some brightness and contrast, like that, and just like that. And that's basically it. That's the entire tutorial. I told you this is a really quick and easy effect that you can do inside Affinity. It's really cool. It gives you that like old type poster that is also like badly screen printed, so it looks really cool. You can use it with anything, and you can use it along with my ink bleed effect that I will leave the link for the ink bleed effect down in the description, so you can see and check out how to make this really cool ink bleed effect just like that in Affinity Photo. So as always, thank you so much for watching the tutorial, and see you on the next video. Peace. Oh, and I forgot, once you export the photo, it looks something like this. It does not lose that grain effect that we just made. It just makes it a little bit softer, just like this. This is the rasterized image. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.